We offer flare and Parflange piping and tubing, 37 and 45-degree fabrication and installation services. Flare systems are widely used across many industries involving hydraulic piping and tubing application. We offer these services for installation both locally and in other locations as required. We can travel out to your job site. Flaring fabrication and installation services for new construction projects, industrial plants, offshore, refineries, rigs, and many other industries. This machine producing JIC 37 and 45 flares degree, Parflange connection, CO lock, O-Ring phase CO, ORFS systems, and triple lock flare JIC fittings and flange. We're flaring on all types of materials, including carbon steel, stainless steel, zinc-plated steel, aluminum, and more, in inch or metric dimensions. We're flaring pipes and tubes with outside diameters ranging from 1/4 inch OD up to 4 inches OD, and we also offer piping and tubing bending services. Visit or contact us our websites, rexocontrols.com or hydrorex.com.